Welcome to Poppy's Workshop. This is thousandth of an inch world. In another video I said that I'm only a mediocre machinist because I need a good machine. I need to be working on a good machine with good measuring tools and good cutting tools before I can break thousandth of an inch tolerance on machines that are capable of thousandth of an inch tolerance. I'm not talking about cut-off saws, flame cutting of it. No. I'm talking lathes, milling machines, precision grinding equipment. Well, the precision grinding equipment there, we're getting past the thousandth of an inch world. Well, for the longest time it was really hard to measure in the shop below a thousandth of an inch. Micrometers are all direct to a thousandth with a veneer to 10,000th. If you're working to a thousandth of an inch, the 10,000th veneer on the barrel is great. But people want to work a little bit tighter. They want to work to a 10,000th of an inch. In order to do that successfully, bump the table with my knee. In order to do that successfully and repeatedly, you need to be able to measure finer, smaller, with repetition that you can count on. The digital micrometers nowadays that direct read to a 10,000th, and they'll pop up the little 5 every 50 millionths. Where were they when I was 20 years old in the shop? Anyway, I've noticed in this hand you have digital micrometer, right? Digital 1-inch mic. In this hand you have digital caliper. Same manufacturer, right? So both Mitutoyo, or both Stern, or both Shars, or both eye gauging. I don't know if Rex Biddy makes a caliper. I know they make micrometers. Anyway, 1-inch mic, 6-inch caliper, both digital readout. Micrometers are all claiming 10,000th of an inch with 50 millionths popping up every 50 millionths. Calipers, half a thousandth. Why is that? I really want to know. Is the screw of the micrometer adding a layer of accuracy that's sliding along that magnetic strip? Yeah. And why they aren't measuring to, say, a 10 millionth? It's very simple. If you put a longer piece of silicone in the display, have 2 or 3 more places after the decimal point, right? Easy enough. Reshape the plastic for the longer display. Reprogram the chip so it reads finer. No. It's something physical. There's something about that magnetic strip and the readers They've plateaued so far down they can't go any further. They've hit bottom as far as our technology at the moment will allow. Oh yeah, gauge blocks. In order to use them correctly, you need a metrology lab. Clean room air, no dust at all, and you have to keep it 68 degrees. Period. 68 damn degrees. No up, no down, exactly 68 degrees. Because that's where everything is calibrated at. Gauge block gets hot, it gets big. Gets cold, it shrinks. When you're measuring in the millionths of an inch, you don't want your gauge blocks changing size. That's why really serious metrology labs, they have an outer room where stuff goes in and it sits there overnight, 24 hours, 2 days, getting down to 68 degrees. They want it metrology lab temperature before they even look at it. Gee whiz. They're measuring in the millionths of an inch. I think they deserve to have it the right temperature, don't you? The average shop, you can't keep it 68 degrees. I mean, as soon as you pick up that gauge block, it starts getting warm. Walk over to your Kearney and Trekker. You've been machining away. That motor is getting hot. The castings are getting hot. So it looks like we're going to be stuck at 1,000th of an inch world. Occasional forays into 10,000th of an inch. Precision grinding. But then I never found that being within 1,000th of an inch of the nominal size was all that bad for me. I mean, that's why I was able to do roughing for the tool and die maker. He trusted me to get it close enough that he could finish grind it after heat treating. Anyway, I'm going to go now. Got to put these on to see.